Renovation update. As you can see, the hole in the ground where they had to put that pump has been filled, and they have placed the pump securely in its forever home. We do not have a laundry room at the moment until this room is finished and the cement is dry. And we had to cover this area up because the little bastard Walter, as soon as the cement was done, wanted to go walk into it. You know him, he's a bad boy. The shower head and the new water control are right there for the shower behind that wall. We're updating the fixtures in that bathroom. That bathroom's like way newer than anything else in this house, so all it really needs is like a new toilet seat. Like the toilet's new too, everything's new, the tiles. But we wanted an updated shower head because the shower head in there and the actual thing to turn the water on, they suck. They're horrible, and those were the worst things we got when we renovated the bathroom. But yeah, we got new stuff. In here, they just brought more wood, and they did a little bit more framing work over there, and I think they tore out some more of the wall down there. Not much in here except the cement work, where most of the work was done, and we'll go into the living room there and take a look, is the actual bedroom right here. All right, so I don't know if you see the difference, but they have put one coat of paint. So today they're gonna come and they're gonna do another coat. It looks way better in here. Like, the color we had before was this fucking depressing looking dark color, and you can actually see it down the hallway. And if I turn over here, it'll beside white. Like, look how depressing that is. Look at that. And then you come in here and it's like, wow, a nice bright room. That looks awesome. And we'll come back in here, and they actually started a little bit in this room, but they didn't have time to finish, and it's just with the primer, so they had to just that other room actually was a little lighter of a brown color, so they didn't need a primer, but this room they definitely need a primer and they need to finish. It's a little dark in here because the light is off. Here we go. And then over here they just kind of put in some plywood and roughed in the area that the dishwasher is going to actually sit in, which is nice. And I don't know when that's coming, but they also, like I said last time, they were fixing some of the holes and the wall with spackle. They did that properly. And then this big hole that was a big square, he filled this in. So things are coming along. There's not much to update you on the garbage pile. There's a little mini garbage pile inside of here, as you can see. And then outside, let's take a look at what we got with the garbage pile. Yeah, nothing really. The only garbage that's there now is what you've seen already. They haven't taken this away yet because it's not much. But we got that, and then a bunch of garbage from our home that I've just been putting in the pile because, you know, why not? Get the workers to take it. Anyway, thanks for watching again. That's been this update. For me, the best part has been, I think, because the progress is actually starting to show. And as you can see, like, I don't know, this room just looks way better and brighter in white. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. And thanks for watching.